It is day 14 of our Magic Gratitude Challenge, which means we're on magic practice number 13. Make all your wishes come true. Norman Vincent Peale, who was a writer born 1898 and died 1993, had this beautiful quote: "Imagination is the true magic carpet." If you have been following the magical practices day by day, you have now built an amazing foundation by practicing gratitude for everything you have received and continue to receive in your life. But today is an exciting day because you're going to begin to use gratitude's magical power for your dreams and desires. Hundreds of native cultures through the centuries have traditionally given thanks for what they want before they receive it, creating elaborate ceremonies to put as much energy as they can into giving thanks. The Egyptians have celebrated the flooding of the Nile River since ancient times to ensure the continual flow of water in the river. American Indians and Australian Aborigines perform rain dances. Various African tribes perform ceremonies for their food before they hunt for it. And the very nature of prayer in every culture and religion is giving thanks before having received what is desired. The law of attraction says that like attracts like, which means you must form in your mind a likeness or an image of what you want. Then, to attract your desire to you, you have to feel as though it's yours, so that how you feel is also like how you would feel when you had what you wanted. The easiest way to do that is to be grateful for what you want before you've received it. If it never occurred to you before to use gratitude to receive what you want, you have now discovered another of its magical powers. The very words in the Holy Scriptures promise exactly that. Whoever has gratitude now will be given more in the future, and he or she will have an abundance. Gratitude is something you must have before you can receive, not something that you simply do after something good has happened. Most people are grateful after they receive something good, but to make all your wishes come true and change your entire life by filling it with riches in every area, you must be grateful before and after. Through the act of being sincerely grateful for receiving your desire beforehand, you immediately form an image in your mind that you have it. You feel as though you have it and you're fulfilling your part. If you continue to hold to that image and feeling, you will magically receive your desire. You won't know how you'll receive it, and it is not your job to figure it out. You don't try to figure out how gravity is going to keep you on the ground when you go for a walk, do you? You trust and know that when you go for a walk, the law of gravity will keep you firmly on the ground. Likewise, you must trust and know that when you're grateful for what you want will be magically moved to you because it is the law of the universe. What do you most want right now? At the beginning of this book, I asked you to get really clear about what you want in every area of your life. If you didn't do that earlier, now is the time to do it. Go to the lists you created now and choose your top 10 desires for this magical practice. You can select 10 desires from different areas of your life, such as money, health, home, and relationships. Or you might want to choose 10 desires in one area you really want to change, such as work or success. Be very clear and specific about what you most want so that you can see the changes magically happen from this practice. Imagine you are putting in a magic order with the universe for your top 10 desires, because in truth, by using the law of attraction, that's exactly what you are doing. Sit down at a computer or with a pen and journal and create a separate list of your top 10 desires in the following way, as though you've received them. Thank you, thank you, thank you for, and fill in the blank with your desire as though you've received it. For example, thank you, thank you, thank you for the high marks in my exam results, which got me into the exact college I wanted. Thank you for the great news that we are having a baby. Thank you for our dream home, which has everything we wanted it to have, down to the last detail. Thank you for the amazing phone call with my dad that has improved our relationship. Thank you for the medical results that show I am all clear and healthy again. Thank you for the unexpected money I received, which is the exact amount I needed for my European trip. Thank you for the doubling of our sales figures this month. Thank you for the ideas that won us our biggest client yet. Thank you for my perfect partner. Thank you for how easy and effortless our move was. Writing thank you 3 times in a row is a powerful thing to do because it prevents you from throwing the words away and increases your focus of gratitude. Saying thank you 3 times is also a magic formula because it is the mathematical number of all new creation in the universe. For example, it takes 1 male and 1 female to create a baby. The male, female, and baby total 3, completing a new creation. And the same rule of 3 applies to the creation of everything in the universe, including the creation of your desire. And so when you say thank you 3 times in a row, you are using the magic number of creation and a secret magic formula. The second step of make all your wishes come true involves saturating your desires with even more gratitude. You can complete the second step at any time during the day today, either at the same time as listing your top 10 desires or intermittently throughout the day. To saturate each of your desires with gratitude's magical power, begin with the first desire on your list and using your imagination, mentally answer the following questions as though you've received your desire. Question 1. What emotions did you feel when you received your desire? Question 2. Who was the first person you told when you received your desire and how did you tell them? Question 3. What is the first great thing you did when you received your desire? Include as much detail as you can in your mind. Finally, reread each desire and really emphasize the magic words thank you so that you feel them as much as you can. Move on to the second desire on your list and follow the same steps with each desire until you've completed all 10 desires. Spend at least 1 minute on each desire. If you want to do something that's really powerful and a lot of fun, you can also create a magic board where you attach pictures of your desires. Cut out the pictures and attach them to a board that's in place where you will see it often. Place the magic word, thank you, thank you, thank you in big bold letters on your magic board. Or you can use your refrigerator as your magic board. If you have a family, you can create a magic board as a family project because children love it. Imagine that your magic board is truly magical and that whatever you place a picture of on your board is instantly being moved toward you. Your continued gratitude for it will magnetize it all the way into your life. Magic practice number 13, make all your wishes come true. Step 1, count your blessing. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Step 2, sit down at your computer or with a pen and journal and list your top 10 desires. Write thank you 3 times before each one, as though you've already received it. For example, thank you, thank you, thank you for, and add your desire. Step 3, using your imagination, answer the following questions in your mind as though you've received each of your 10 desires. 1, what emotions did you feel when you received your desire? 2, who was the first person you told when you received your desire and how did you tell them? 3, what is the first great thing you did when you received your desire? Include as much detail as you can in your mind. Step 4, reread the sentence listing your desire and really emphasize the magic words thank you so that you feel them as much as you can. Step 5, if you like, create a magic board. Cut out pictures and attach them to your magic board and put it in a place you see often. Title the board with thank you, thank you, thank you in big bold letters across the top. Step 6, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic word thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.